The fundamental frequency of an open organ pipe is equal to the third harmonic of a closed organ pipe. If the length of the organ pipe is 20 centimeter, the length of an open organ pipe is okay. So let's see what we have given in here this question. First we have given the length of a organ pipe, and second we need to find the length of an open organ pipe. So let's see. So we have given an open organ pipe whose frequency is equal to the third harmonic of a closed organ pipe. So we can say that the frequency is the third volume of an open organ pipe. This is from here we can relate this. Then for the open organ pipe, the basic frequency is this. This is the general frequency of an open organ pipe with a fundamental frequency, and this is the for closed organ pipe the fourth frequency we have given in this question. So we have two things now. We will just consider them as equation 1 and consider this as equation 2. So now what we can do is we can compare these equations with each other. So we can find the value of L, that is the length of the second organ pipe, the open one. So by equating these values we can find the length of the organ pipe as 13.33 centimeter. So we will find the most relevant answer to this question, that is 13.2 centimeters. So that is close to 13.33 centimeters. Hence we can say that the length of this open organ pipe is 13.2 centimeter.